That's Benjamin Goulart, the Waterfall Guy. I'm here just relaxing in my nice Tiki cabana. Sometimes you just want to relax and enjoy your water feature. You don't want the maintenance of a pond. You want to go with a pondless waterfall. That's where the waterfall disappears down into the feature. No maintenance, no mosquitoes, little liability. Come here, let me show you what I'm talking about. We come out here to our waterfall. It's cascading nicely down. You got your big boulders in here. You can walk on your pebbles. Easy maintenance, no mosquitoes, no open water. The kids won't fall in. Maintenance required about once a year. Come in and clean the filters. That's about it. You can see you got different boulders, different sizes, beautiful sound. This is the features. Zero maintenance almost.